Welcome back to Honesty Online 2021. Students, I have moved to the 54th session. We are just left with the last two videos to complete this chapter and that of the subject itself. There are around 56 sessions, the two more sessions to complete the entire syllabus. Now I am moving to the knowledge resources in this. As you all know that this is for the BBA program, the third semester affiliated to Bangalore University. Let me recapitulate. In my previous video, I spoke to you about the knowledge management and how knowledge management is important in the present scenario. Now coming to the learning objectives, it provides information about the knowledge resources. When you are going to manage, you must know what are the resources first of all. So to manage, you must know what are the resources you are going to manage. So hence, in this video, we are speaking on knowledge resources. It also facilitates how important it is in any organization. And coming to the knowledge resources, it refers to a range of practices used by organizations to identify, create, capture, and distribute knowledge for reuse, awareness, and learning across the organization. And knowledge management programs are usually linked to the organizational objectives. They are intended to lead to the achievement of specific outcomes such as shared intelligence, improved performance, competitive advantage, or higher levels of innovation. The objective of knowledge management is to make the best use of the knowledge assets available to an organization, turning them into a powerful driver of competitiveness. The rise of game coincided with the emergence of the so-called knowledge-based economy. In the new economic era, traditional production factors such as learning capital are being replaced by intangible assets of knowledge as a critical input for corporate competitiveness. There are many schools of thought in the area of knowledge management. One of the most popular theories was proposed by Professor Donocka, as knowledge is intangible and essentially resides within the individuals. The challenge in knowledge management is how to capture and harness individual-based knowledge and to make it explicit and common knowledge for use across the entire organization. Professor Donocka argued that a successful knowledge management program needs to convert internalized tacit knowledge into explicit knowledge to share it and make new knowledge and the value for the organization. So sharing of the knowledge is very important here to understand the concept better and also to get some more value, adding more value to the organization practices or strategies. See, in this slide we see this change management, performance management, staff development. There is a human resource management, here information management, here information and communication technology, here organizational learning. All these things are backed by, there are so many issues. See here, it could be relating to behaviors or lessons learned or process the development, decision support. It could be SOPs. SOPs means the state of practices, the best practices. Then information, ownership, responsibility, education and training, policies and procedures, records management, very important, flexible frameworks, efficiency benefits, enterprise search, and so on. See, basically when we talk about the resources, there are the three important things. We call it as knowledge resources. One is people, and the second is process, and the third one is technology. First, we must have people backed by the process, and that is both are backed by technology. All these three things put together, we call it as knowledge resources. When it comes to people, knowledge managers. People are knowledge managers. The communities of practice, training and communication, measurement and reward system, knowledge sharing culture, knowledge advisors, employee satisfaction survey, everything is done by this. When it comes to process, how the process will give you the best knowledge or experience. Knowledge captures and reuses. The process helps us to understand that. Communities of practice, the best practice selection and replications, project team collaboration, content management and governance, metrics and reporting, and management of change. see how we are going to manage the change that will be very much adopted by the process of the organization. Coming to technology, user interface, the team collaboration space, community portals, knowledge repositories, threaded discussions, expertise locators, search, support and archiving. So in all these things it is done by the technology. So these three are called as knowledge resources. Knowledge management revolves around these four important. You can add one more called as organizational objectives. As I told you, the people are important, process next important, and then technology, backed by organizational objectives. So the knowledge management revolves around all these resources, which facilitates the project communication and development, which facilitates organizational learning, it leverages expertise within the organization, increasing communication internally and externally, crowdsource difficult problems, manage intellectual property. Just have a look at this. It's a beautiful one of the operational management, knowledge management and strategic knowledge management, people and motivation. The people being the motivation, they are the managers, knowledge managers. And we have all this market and strategies here, the structure and practices and knowledge technology. Coming to the multiple choice questions, the following are the important resources of knowledge management: people, process and technology, process, machines, books and all the various other options are given. Of course the answer is A. Coming to the session outcome, students, it has provided the information about the key resources of knowledge management and how this knowledge management creates an impact on the overall productivity of any organization. Hope this video has come to your help, and for any clarifications, log on to RSG Online 2021 for further more videos and information. Stay